If you own one of these Ryobi cordless leaf blowers, model P21081, you'll eventually run into a problem where the switch won't turn the blower motor. It's a known problem where the design of the variable power switch causes arcing, which eventually results in switch failure. You can buy a replacement switch for a hefty price, but you're just replacing it with the same switch that will develop the same problem over time. After talking with my electrician buddy and poking around with my multimeter, I figured I could replace the variable speed trigger switch with a simple on-off toggle switch, providing I was willing to settle for a single speed blower. I used this $7 toggle switch from Home Depot. It's a 20 amp 125 volt 2-pole switch which will tolerate the 18 volt 4 amp battery feeding the blower motor. It fit perfectly into the space used by the original switch. The 12 volt toggle switches available at auto parts stores will not do the job.
Cut a hole for the toggle switch in the top of the handle above the center of the cavity that held the original switch. In my case, a 7/16" drill bit was needed. Here's the completed rewiring with the toggle switch in place. The red wire from the battery can be shortened and connected directly to the red wire supplying the blower motor. The black load wire from the battery goes to the load terminal of the toggle switch. The black wire from the motor goes to the other terminal. With the red wires shortened and directly connected from the battery to the motor, the channels to the old switch can be used for the black wires, which means you won't have to lengthen them.